Hey, what's up, gamers? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest gaming tips and tricks. Today, I'm dropping a sick tutorial on how to get unlimited coins and keys in Subway Surfers straight from your phone. No need for a PC, rooting, or jailbreaking. Keep it simple. I've tried this method myself, and it worked like a charm. Let's dive in. First, launch Subway Surfers and head to your profile or settings menu. There, you'll find your unique player ID. Take a screenshot or jot it down so you don't lose it. Ready? Let's roll. Next, open your mobile browser, Safari, Chrome, or whatever you prefer, and head to this site. Search for Subway Surfers and select the Unlimited Coins and Keys hack option. On the generator page, select your platform, iOS or Android, and paste in that player ID you saved earlier. Double-check everything and tap Proceed. The tool will hook up with your account in seconds. Time to get hyped. Pick the amount of resources you want to add, then hit Proceed. The system will take care of the rest, syncing, encrypting, and all that jazz. Before your resources arrive, you'll need to prove you're human. Usually this means downloading a free app and running it for a minute or two. Easy peasy. Follow the on-screen instructions, and you're good to go. Now, fire up Subway Surfers and check your coins and keys balance. If you follow the steps correctly, your resources should be waiting for you. I tested this method, and it worked flawlessly. No grinding, no spending cash. And that's how you get unlimited coins and keys in Subway Surfers. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe with the bell for more gaming hack tutorials. Got stuck somewhere? Drop a comment below. I respond to all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.